students. So this is a general informative video. So regarding some online courses. So in the Google just type SWAYAM Swayam SWAYAM. So after typing Swayam, here you will get SWAYAM Central https swayam.gov.in. Just click on this Swayam Central. This Swayam Central, it is a central government Ministry of Human Resource Development. It works under Ministry of Human Resource Development. It includes all online courses which are offered by some national coordinators. So for this, so here you are having some national coordinators. So this list indicates your national coordinators. These national coordinators are going to conduct some online classes for n number of courses. For this we need to register. So you can log in with your Microsoft account or Google account or Facebook account. Here I am trying to log in with my Google account, that is Gmail. So with the help of Gmail, here I am going to log in. This website contains, here I have logged in with my Google account. This is my Gmail ID. So at the top, here you are having about Swayam, all courses, and who are the coordinators and local chapter. So we require all courses. Just click on all courses. When you click on all courses, it contains two options: upcoming courses for enrollment and ongoing, for which the enrollment is closed. So here you are having upcoming courses, for these courses you can enroll now. These are all the ongoing courses. These are all already started courses and the enrollment is closed. So if you want to take any course, here you need to click on this upcoming enrollment courses. On the left side, you are having a filter. Already I said that here you are having some 10 to 12 national coordinators. So you can select a particular coordinator and you can select the courses offered by that particular coordinator. But here I am selecting all. If I select all, if I select AICTE, it displays all the courses which are offered by that respective coordinator. But I want to show, just better to keep all. For national coordinators all, it means that it displays the courses which are offered by all the coordinators. So, and course duration, here the course duration varies from 4 weeks to 24 weeks. 4 weeks to 24 weeks, that is nothing but 1 month courses to 6 months courses. So you can filter according to your choice, you can filter. And course exam date, you can select with respect to the course exam date also. So and course credits. So for this one, just if you want to have a clear idea, if you want to know what are all the courses offered, just keep all or all. And category. So here you are having, I said that here it contains n number of courses which are related to engineering and non-engineering branches. So if you want to filter according to your choice, you can do. Like if you want to select the courses only which are related to engineering, only it displays a list of engineering courses which are offered by all national coordinators. So if you select architecture and planning, if you select humanities and art, then it displays all the list which are offered by, like the courses which are offered by all the coordinators. For school, for NPTEL program, for math and science. So here you are having a choice. Here you are having a choice. So for here I am going to give you a engineering and technology course. Then I'll go with the all. So upcoming courses which are running, which are used for engineering and technology. For animations. So here you are having the courses. Here I have selected, just select all. Just select all, it displays all courses. So just give an idea, just I have selected all courses, just see here. Here you are having a course on animations, that is delivered by the lectures are going to be delivered by Dr. Abhishek Kumar. He is from Banaras Hindu University and it is a program from CEC. This is a national coordinator. And what is the duration of this course? And it is a 15 weeks course and it starts from 1st July 2021. And for this is for examination. For the examination, that is enrollment, and you are having a research and methodology, agriculture policy and formulation. So it is going to list all the courses. It is going to give all the courses. If you have observed here, here you are having accountancy, here you are having accreditation programs, advanced dynamics, advanced C++, advanced linear control system, advanced machine processing, advanced UHV, aircraft propulsion, algebra. So it lists out all the course, American literature and culture. If you want to know the American literature, analog communication. So Android app using Kotlin, application of GeoGebra, and animation psychology, applied linguistics. Now my intention is I want to show you the course that is basic electrical circuits. That is your, in basic electrical circuits you are going to see the same concepts which we are included or which we are studying in ECA. Principles of marketing. Just see here, here you are having basic electrical circuits. This basic electrical circuits, that is your related to your electrical circuit analysis. So these basic electrical circuits includes most of the topics which we are going to study in electrical circuit analysis. So why I am like focusing on this basic electrical circuits is, this is a core subject for electrical branch. This is a core subject for electrical branch. If you are very perfect in this basic electrical circuits or in electrical circuit analysis, it is very easy to go through all the subjects which you are going to study in the further semester. So let us see. This is a course offered by Professor, the Professor Gajendranath Chaudhary is going to deliver the classes, and it is a course from IIT Hyderabad. It is a course from IIT Hyderabad. So it is a course offered by NPTEL, that is your national coordinator. And what will be the duration? So it is a 3 months. It is a 3 months course, that is for 12 weeks. 12 weeks course, and this course starts from 26/7/2021, that is in the next month 26, on 26 the course is going to be started. And for this, whatever the lectures they are providing, they are all free. They are all free courses. So no need to pay anything for it. But if you want to get a certificate, you need to write, you need to attend examination. You have to attend online exam. After getting the marks, according to the marks, you are going to receive a online certificate which varies from silver certificate, gold certificate, something you are having a platinum. So according to the marks which you are going to get in the examination, that gold or silver or platinum certificate you are going to get. That certificate will gives you a weightage to your resume whenever you are going to attend for any placement. And whatever the knowledge you are going to get in these courses, that will be very useful for your further in any competitive examination, and it boosts your knowledge. Let us see. And exam date is 23 October 2021. This is a examination date. They are going to conduct the examination online on 23 October 2021. So try to enroll as early as possible. So if I click on this one, if I click on this course, it displays all the it displays the list of topics which they are going to include or which they are going to consider. So course is upcoming course, and this is a course type is core, and duration is 12 weeks. The start date is 26 and end date is 15th October. It is this course is going to end on 15th October, and enrollment ends on 22nd August. But if you like if you enroll as early as possible, then you are going to attend at from the starting point only, that is of 26 July 2021. So which they like for whom it is very useful: electrical electronics communication engineering and control system and instrumentation, for power system and power electronics, and for VLSI design. So whatever the knowledge you are going to get, that will be very helpful for your all these subjects. And credit points are 3 credit points, and level is it is for undergraduate. So this is a course for your undergraduate students only. And so this is a one video course topics. So what are the course topics they are going to include? So Department of Electrical Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, Chennai. This is a basic video, but this is Nagendra Krishnapura. Nagendra Krishnapura. This is a video from Nagendra Krishnapura, but you are going to get from other faculty is from IIT Hyderabad. So what are all the intended audience, interested learners. So those who are interested, then they can avail this course. Course layout. So this course is offered or created and offered earlier by Professor Nagendra Krishnapura, but it will be offered by Professor Gajendranath Choudhury for subsequent runs. Basically, it is offered in the previous it is Nagendra Krishnapura, but now we are going to see the classes from Gajendranath Choudhury. So what are all the course layout? In week 1, they are going to include some current, voltage, electrical elements, circuits, Kirchhoff laws, and basic elements, voltage, current sources, resistor, inductor, capacitor, and linearity of elements. And in second week, in every week they are going to keep 4 to 5 hours videos, like 4 to 5 hours video. You have to listen that video and you need to attend the assignments also. So you have to submit the assignment within the stipulated time. So they will give you a deadline for the assignment submission also. If you submit the assignment like before that deadline, on or before the deadline, then only that will be considered. The assignment marks also consider while giving your certificate. And in the second week, they are going to include elements in series and parallel and control sources. And third week, power, energy in electrical elements, circuit analysis method. In fourth week, nodal analysis and nodal analysis with different sources, something of mesh analysis. Like that, it ends with at week 12 with direct calculation of steady state response of equivalent components, magnitude and phase plot, and maximum power transfer theorem. So whatever the topics we are going to see in electrical circuit analysis, that will be very helpful when you attend this course. So he is a instructor, Professor Gajendranath Choudhury from IIT Hyderabad. Course certificate. Here they have given course certificate also. Course certificate. The course is free. You can attend and you can attempt the assignment for free of cost. But the course is free to enroll and learn from it. And but if you want to have a certificate, you have to register and you have to write the exam conducted by in person at any of the designated exam center. And the exam is optional for free of 1000 rupees. So if you want to get a certificate, you need to write an examination. The cost of the examination fee is 1000 rupees. And date and time of exam is 23rd October 2021, morning session from 9 to 12, that is of 3 hours, and afternoon session 2 to 5. And registration URL. So when you are going to get the registration URL, so in the middle of your course, you are going to get your registration for examination. So the announcements will be made when the registration form is open for registration. The online registration form has to be filled and the certification exam fee needs to be paid. More details will be made available when the exam registration form is published. If there are any changes in the examination, it will be mentioned then. So criteria, what is the criteria to get a certificate? If you want to get a certificate, average assignment score 25% of average of best 8 assignments out of the total 12 assignments given for the course. So for this course, every week you are going to have one assignment. So it is a 12-week course. So you have to attend 12 assignments. So among the 12 assignments, they are going to consider best 8 assignments out of 12, and the weightage is given is 25%. So with the assignments you are going to get 25%, and if you attend the exams is for 75% certificate exam, a score out of 100, and the final score is average assignment score and your exam score. So by adding this average assignment score and exam score, so whatever the marks you are going to get, with respect to that, your final score will be evaluated. According to your final score, you are going to get a certificate, and you will be eligible for certificate only if the average assignment score is 10 out of 25 and exam score is 30 out of 75. That is, if you get 25 out of 10 only, 10 and 30 out of 75, then only it is you are eligible for get a certificate. If one of the two criteria is not met, you will not get any certificate, even if the final score is 40 out of 100. It means that assignments also like plays a important role. It means that if you get a 40, but you have to get minimum 30 out of 75. But if you get 40 also 40, and if you get 5 year, so it is you are not eligible for get a certificate. And certificate will have your name, photograph and score in the final exam with in the breakup. So it is having your photo and your marks and your name, and it will have a logos of NPTEL and IIT Madras. It will be a e-verified certificate at nptel.ac.noc, and only the e-certificate will be made available. Hard copies will not be dispatched. Once again, thanks for your interest in our online courses and certification. So just as early as possible enroll for this course. This will be very helpful for your future. Like if you want to attempt any like gate examination, this basic electrical circuits is very important. Similar to that, you are going to have control systems. This control systems and switching theory and logic design. So like that, you are having a number of courses. So if you type here control systems, this subject also you are going to have in the future. You can select a course by typing the name also. So this is a control system course, and it is also a 12-week course, and it is also starting from 26/7 only. Like that, you are having a number of courses in this SWAYAM. So just utilize this site, which is organized from a reputed colleges, get the knowledge and get benefited. Thank you.